Hello student, chapter Natural Resource considered as the internal assessment, and in this way we have already studied about the natural resources, biosphere and the three spheres combinedly make a biosphere, and naming are the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Topic atmosphere is going on, and in this sequence today's topic is air pollution. Student, when we talk about any type of pollution, you have two main words or tips word, that is the undesirable addition of the undesirable substance and produce harmful effect. So when we talk about the air pollution, definition will be any undesirable substance when added in air and produce harmful effect on life. This is called air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Main causes of air pollution are burning of fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are the main fossil fuels which responsible for the air pollution. When we talk about the petroleum or running of the vehicle, this is the petroleum or petroleum product are burnt and release some harmful chemicals like nitrogen and sulfur that are burned and produce different oxide of nitrogen and sulfur, and this is responsible for the acid rain. Acid rain is the when oxide of nitrogen and sulfur reaches into the air, and when it mixes with the water vapor, it converted into the oxide, and further it when it mix with the rainwater make a acid rain, and these acid rain are measured on a pH scale. This is the pH scale. Below the 7 it's show the acidic character, and above the 7 show the basic characters. Normal pure water pH is 7 in pH scale, and when we talk about the normal rainwater, its pH range is 5.4 to 5.6. Acid rainwater pH scale read on the 4.2 to 4.4. And this is the chemical formula for the acid rain. Here sulfuric acid and nitric acid are the main component of the acid rain, and also small amount of carbonic acid is the mixture of the acid rain. So we have two main acid in acid rain, naming are the sulfuric acid and nitric acid, and another acid which are present in small amount, naming is carbonic acid. Effects of the acid rain. You can see here it corrode our very important monument like Taj Mahal, damage the statue monuments, also affect the aquatic life. Student, now when combustion of fossil fuels like coal, it release some unburned carbon particles or hydrocarbons that are suspended in air, and it create a smoke. What is smoke? Smoke is a mixture of fog and smoke which occurs in some busy industrial cities. Actually, Smog is generally occurs during the winter season and highly polluted city or smoke is the indication of air pollution. So this is the environmental effect when our air is polluted. When we consider about the effect of air pollution on human bodies, you can say it create the some respiratory problem, variety of allergies. It is also responsible for types of cancer, even heart disease. So that's all for today, student. Thank you.